Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today on this video I will be showing you how to make such a cake from Oreo cookies. Guys, it is super simple. I'm sure anyone can do it and you're going to love the final output. So let's begin. To start with, you need 30 pieces of Oreo cookies, and that means 2 packets. And after that, after transferring them to a bowl, just crush them roughly like that. Just cut them into 2 or 3. Then you're going to transfer the pieces to a blender. Then add 1 cup of milk to the cookies into the blender. And then you're going to blend that to make a smooth mixture, and you can see that's how it looks after blending. And then you're going to transfer that mixture to a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I was using a half teaspoon to measure, that's why I put 2 of them. Then we are going to give that a good mix. And the cake batter is ready. You're just going to pour it to a baking tin that you have already prepared on the side. Imagine it's that simple, guys. To prepare the cake batter, it's so simple. Then after transferring the cake to the baking tin, you're just going to tap it on the table to get rid of any air bubbles. And then I baked my cake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes. It was ready after 30 minutes, but if you do not have an oven, I'm sure you can use my no oven recipes to bake this cake as well. And then here I'm just preparing the frosting. Boil 1 liter unpasteurized milk, and then after it boils, add 1 tablespoon of distilled vinegar, and then give that a good mix as it boils on low flame. You will notice that curd will be formed. This is what we'll be using to make the cream cheese. Yeah, that's how it looks like, and the idea is to separate the curd from the water. And I'm just using a cotton kitchen cloth. If you have a cheesecloth, it would work better, and that's what we have. That's the cream that we'll be using to make the frosting. So just transfer the cream to a blender and blend for a minute, and this is how it looks like after blending. And then after that, I'm just going to start mixing in 3 tablespoons of margarine, with a 1/4 cup of icing sugar. And the reason why I was sifting the icing sugar is to get rid of any lumps, and then just give that a good mix. And after that, go in with the hand mixer to mix the sugar and the margarine. And after mixing with the hand mixer, start adding the cream cheese, the curd that we got from the milk. And again go in with the hand mixer. After mixing this for roughly 4 to 5 minutes, it will be ready. You can add any color that you like to the frosting. Also, I added a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that's how it looks like. Guys, you can decorate the cake however you wish. Yeah, and it's that simple. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for clicking on it, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly consider doing so. It's free and I will appreciate if you did that. So that's how the cake looks like after baking. Yeah, so you're just going to decorate it as you wish, and that's how mine looked like. So bye.